Hey guys, how are you? So today I'm very, very, very sad and upset and disappointed. All those at once. I woke up early in the morning and I got the notification that my video has the violations, community guidelines, and I've been receiving a warning, and my video has been removed from YouTube. And this was at 1:35 a.m. of today. And for me, I wake up around 2:30. So within like an hour when, so I usually waking up early in the morning to make videos. And the reason for the video to be in violation, first of all, let's go to the video. The video is about filling the form. So this is the video, how to fill the diversity visa lottery application form correctly and win. So this is the video, which was 32 minutes video. I made the video showing you step by step on how to fill the diversity visa form. And the reasoning for violation, if you go, they explain what was that violation, what guidelines did I was against. So they say your content was removed due to the community guidelines, and because the first time they are not going to completely destroy your ban my account, but if it's going to be repeated, I will be able to be banned to upload or to do live stream for a week. And I came to realize, what is the video? The video was on the DVLOTTERY, and the type of the video, or the reason they say it caused the problem, they say it is harassment and cyberbullying. This made me so sick and upset and disappointed with people. I'm okay if the content I'm doing is not something you prefer. I know some people, maybe they say, I don't want to go to America, I don't want to go to Europe. Why are you making these videos? It's okay if you don't agree with me. I have no problem. It's okay if you like some other type of content. It's okay if you love your country so much and you don't want anybody to move or to leave your country. So go to my video and put a thumbs down if you don't like it. But the point of going to put my channel or my video on jeopardy to say this is harassment. If you look at the community harassment, what does this harassment mean? Is something different. So this is the video, what they say is cyberbullying. So I've created the appeal, but YouTube also, I'm upset with them because when they receive something without even looking at it, they are going to put a strike. Because if something is harassment, who am I harassing? Who is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying, that means you are bullying someone. Who am I bullying? Just by saying, when you are filling the form, make sure you use your passport. Make sure you put your full name. That's what makes me surprised. That makes me upset. So if you look at harassment, what does this policy mean? Let me zoom so that you can be able to see. And this is why sometimes people cannot develop. If you don't like something, just continue with your life. Don't post the content in your YouTube if it's any of the following description about this one. Content that features prolonged name calling or malicious insult, such as racial slurs based on someone's instinct attributes. These attributes include protected groups status, physical attributes. I have never done that. Content uploaded with the intent to shame, deceive, or insult a minor. A minor is defined as someone who is individual under the age of majority. This means anyone younger than 18 years old, but the age of minor might vary by geographical region. So, by me explaining about filling the form, how am I cyberbullying anybody? How am I harassing anyone? If you like your country, you don't want to come to America, you don't apply to a green card lottery, continue with your life. Go to the video and put the thumbs down if you like. but don't go and report that I'm violating the community guidelines. This is the warning I'm getting. The content has been removed. So if you go here, this video has been removed. Here's the status, has been removed. Terms and policies have been, I've already done the appeal, but that is the video which has been removed. The video I uploaded on October 6th, and within just 4 days, the video had over 10,000 views already. So this is the problem I'm having with people. And in order to develop, in order to for people to be able to succeed, just mind your own business. You don't want to go overseas, to go to Western country, it's okay. Find a content. If you like music, watch music. If you like comedy, like the comedy. If the video you see I post is not good quality, doesn't whatever you like, put a thumbs down. But don't go to the video and just report. Remember, the process of reporting a channel is a longer process. It's not just by clicking one thing. Someone purposely went there and done that. I don't know whether it's one or more than one people. I don't know. But I'm disappointed. And this is showing why some people cannot develop, because all their life, they are looking on how to put someone down. How do you benefit if this video has been removed? You are losing, or you are making other people, maybe they might apply, and by applying, they might make a mistake and be denied the visa because of you, and you are jealous, and you have bad intentions to other people. You are not just affecting me, you are affecting the people who are supposed to be getting this kind of education. And this is the email I got. Our teams has reviewed your content. First of all, I don't know whether they've reviewed. Unfortunately, we think it violates our harassment, threats, and cyberbullying policy. We have removed the following content: how to fill the DVLOTTERY application form and correctly and win. How does this video is affecting? How? Let's mind our own business, people. If you don't like, just continue with your life, but don't go and lie that this video is just about harassing people, threatening people, and cyberbullying people. I've never done that. I don't agree with someone, or you don't agree with me, it's okay. We have different goals. We have different priorities in life. We cannot all agree. I'm okay with that. Or make your own video criticizing what I'm saying. I have no problem. But going to say I'm bullying people, I take it personal for me. So if you go to my YouTube channel, I've reposted the video. This is the video. This is the same video, the V2023 application form. So I just changed the name and posted the video. I will show you after a minute, after the commercial goes away. So this is the video about how to fill the form. How does this video is violating to tell you this is the name, how to fill the form. This is your first name, full name, last name. So I've just gone ahead and just reposting the video again. So I'm appreciating the people who have gone there yeah. So next time, if you don't like anything, come here. Here there is like button. Here there is down button, dislike. Just click the dislike button. Or don't care about my channel, don't subscribe. Just find some other content you like. But just don't go and just put in, the incorrect information. Don't go and you know for sure you are lying. It doesn't benefit you. You are affecting other people who could benefit with such information. So I'm so much sorry for other people, but I'm so disappointed. I'm so upset. And I feel sorry for that person who has that bad intentions. In Kiswahili, we say kamati ya roho mbaya. Some people, that's how they are built. I don't know. It's just they don't want to see other people win. They don't want to see other people succeed. So they end up just destroying everything for everyone. So let me end up here. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Go to my channel and subscribe, and I'll keep making more videos. But today I'm not in the mood of making more videos. I might just take a day off without making videos. Thank you. This is EBM Ernest Makulilo. EBM out.